All right, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to a new video. Today we got some more GR86 content. We're currently sitting at 3,869 miles, so we do have a few miles on this thing already. All right, so here we got the box, and whatever's inside there is going to be going up on the roof. And we do have a dash cam watching us right there. Anyway, so let's install this part. It does say please don't double stack and fragile on the box, which I love that SUMA does that. The boxes always come in perfect condition. But thank you to SUMA Performance for sending this out. I was very excited for this one. I've wanted one of these since the car came out. Here is what it looks like under all the padding. We got more padding, which is very, very nice. And inside we got a cool SUMA Performance air freshener. I'm gonna put this in the car right after. And some awesome SUMA stickers with their new logo design. I love it. All right, so up here, it's a little bit dirty. We're just gonna be cleaning it off real quick before we install it, just so it has the best adhesion to the roof. So here's what it looks like. Awesome, I love this Vortex Generator. Obviously, it's not gonna be much performance, but it looks awesome. All right, so here's a test fit with none of the tape or anything. We just laid it right there and it looks great. So I went ahead and applied some of my 3M tape. I got it on Amazon. I will have a link in the description down below. And yeah, so this one is specifically for mounting things on your car, like a spoiler. So this thing will not fly off when you're driving. So here we go. I pulled a little bit of each piece of tape out so we can just pull it out after we fit this thing on here perfectly. But once you lay it in the center, right in between the shark fin antenna, it is actually perfect fitment because it goes right around there, so you don't really have to worry about the gaps. I double checked a couple times and it looked great. So anyway, I was being very cautious about the fitment being perfect because I am very nitpicky about this. Made sure it was right, started pulling the tape off and pressing this thing down onto the roof. So after that, I just did a light press on there just to make sure everything is nice and down, nice and secured, and I wiped it off real quick. And then here is the final product. So I definitely love how this thing turned out on the GR86. Thanks to SUMA again for sending this out for the video. If you guys are interested in getting one of these for your 2022 and up BRZ or GR86, make sure to hit the link in the description down below. And I do have a 5% off coupon code actually for you, which is RevolveAuto. So make sure you guys use that. Check this thing out for yourself. It also matches the rear diffuser with the matte black. If you guys opt in for that color, definitely love how this thing looks. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.